Floor plan actually was kind of designed off of a half-ton floor plan we came out with a year ago that just took the industry by storm.
We videoed that, like
the 23 mm.
Yep.
Yeah. So
Yep.
it just took the industry by storm. But some of the feedback that we got from customers was, I don't need the dinette. I'd rather have a fireplace, and I'd like to have a king bed slide. Other than that, this other floor plan's perfect. Well, I gave it to the customers on this one too. So
all right.
Take a look. This has the most countertop space in all of my floor plans.
Just get that real quick, Lisa, before we go in. So again, gross vehicle weight all loaded, 9665, cargo carrying capacity 2335. So when you're empty, you're 7,300 pounds, which is just amazing. Okay, and just a shade under 31 feet. Wow, okay. That's a big TV.
That's a big TV. Okay. So again, this thing is just over 30 foot, and I don't have another floor. I mean, this has the most countertop space of all my floor plans.
That is insane.
Now, what do you think about the window height too? Isn't that perfect?
Right?
Where you're sitting.
Yeah, I'm looking right out that midnight black truck.
Yeah, that's right.
Of course, I only see the running lights at the top.
No, well, that's all right. Right?
No, it's just a window.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this, now that we're in my full-size series, which we were on that one as well, we're going to have the 16 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator as well. Some of the feedback that we got from customers, and I'm going to show you a couple things here. Some of the feedback that we got from customers when they sit down in this theater seat, they're not a big fan of looking up at the TV. So again, we partnered with one of our suppliers, and we designed a mechanism.
Oh,
so
look at that crap!
That down too.
Oh my goodness!
Now I'm really happy because I wasn't going to say anything, but yeah, we do talk about it in our videos.
Yeah.
It's tough to look up all the time.
That's correct.
Right.
So
that's
give you the option to bring that down if you want to. Now, for those consumers, for those campers that want a table, right? If you want it, great. If you want to use it workspace, what have you. I designed it into this.
What?
Oh my gosh.
And then if you look right over there under those, there should be two, right, open those up. That's where you hide your two chairs. They're probably still wrapped.
They are.
Yeah.
No, I'm just going to leave them.
We're still setting everything up
nope.
right now. But
we talked about that right when we started. It's media, or industry day, media day. Not everything's functioning quite yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
How cool is that, though?
That's brilliant.
So you haven't given it up.
No.
You just found a way to tuck it away.
That's right.
And then if you want to use it, there it is. You don't even have to go find it out of storage. It's right there.
This floor plan is for those customers that just want to go out and go camping, and they're not going to have a whole bunch of people over here to sleep with them, what have you. So this just tucks away just like that. This pushes in, and then there's two little red levers. It just slides right in just like that. Now it's tucked away. And to get the fireplace that they
asked for to begin with.
That's right.
Because she likes the fireplace because she got freakishly cold, tiny feet.
So I can have the fireplace and the table.
You can have both, right?
She gets to have her cake and eat it too.
That's exactly right.
I don't know.
So again, just over 30 foot, and we're still able to incorporate the county coffee station here.
Yep. Solid surface countertops. Let's not forget. I mean,
this pantry is
even though it's on the lower end, if you will, of the scale, features are not missing. In fact, there's a lot of design elements in I've never seen that before.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
I've never seen this before.
Well,
it's amazing.
We're on the lower end of the scale, but if you're not familiar with Cougar, we actually we've been.
Well, I'm talking about the MLE. I'm talking about the MLE series.
Gotcha. Yeah.
The lighter weight, smaller. That's what I meant to say.
Yeah.
No.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
I just throw that in there.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget the king bed.
Oh, we're getting up there.
Yeah.
We're getting up there. Oh, pantry. We didn't show the pantry.
Yeah,
God, we got to. Oh, did we look at the pantry?
Yeah.
Nice shelves, not too bad. Furrion side-by-side 12-volt refrigerator.
Travel access is perfect on this floor plan too, because you can get right into the refrigerator if you need to.
Correct. And I didn't even think to bring it up. We did in a couple of the others, but we have it's not a fifth wheel, but a travel trailer. We do have the one side that comes in, but it's going to come to about here, and so you can get in. It's a lot of the bigger fifth wheels that have multiple sides. It becomes a little bit more challenging. So full access. Yeah, nice L.
I'm just blown away.
Lots of power everywhere.
We did incorporate
built-in.
storage.
Yep, excellent. Well. Yeah, there's just cabinetry and storage everywhere in here, guys.
Now that was dead space out here in the outside, just dead space to get in this corner. So I incorporated a little outdoor kitchen in there as well.
Nice, excellent,
brilliant,
awesome. All right, upstairs. Wow. Okay.
Still setting up.
I've already bought 3 units today. It's just...
So bedroom's going to be very similar to what you just saw. Bathroom is a little bit different. But the bedroom's going to be identical to what we just saw on the other one. But again, just over 30 foot, king bed slide as well, full washer dryer hookups if you wanted, huge wardrobe as well.
All right, yep, we're just panning around. If you didn't know, when we're done with the stream, even though we're streaming live, we do cut them up and we do them as individual videos. So somebody who's just looking for this model, it's not buried into a 2.5 hour stream. It's its own video. So even though it's the same for you and me and the people watching right now, it's going to be completely different for somebody who's not watching the full stream. So yeah, 70 by 80 king. You've got your shelves up top, which are nightstands, power up there for your CPAP machines. Great 3-door sliding door closet, so it's easy to access everything in here. And then you can just slide it over to get to the other side. It's locked right now, so I'm not going to bother, but it would look the same on the other side. Full washer dryer hookups, as he said. Nice that the whole Keystone family has added shelves in here now. And so if you're not going to use it as a wash and dryer, which not everybody does, you've got more storage stuff up in there. Got your little 4-drawer dresser right here with your hidden storage. TV goes here. Let's just cover this bathroom real quick. Slightly different design, but essentially the same. It's a little bit bigger than the other smaller one we were in like this. So much more leg room, much more shoulder space. So for the tall and fluffy, this is good to go. All right, you got your nice linen closet right there. Okay, and I guess I'm putting toilet paper right here myself. That's where I would put it, right in this nice little cubby. All right, you do have cabinet shelves underneath here. 3 drawers, under counter mount sink, plenty of space on the countertop for all your lotions, potions. I can see about to this. Wow, what is this with my face? I get all dirty? Good, look at that. I'm out here getting dirty. All right, but here's your drug. It's where I store all the drugs. Wow, look at that. Was that like that all day?
I think it's a scratch.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, I have scratched myself, people. Okay, so again, if I take my hat off, as you can see, I'm just rubbing. Okay, but this one's bigger. And it's just about at the water. So if I'm doing my thing, I'm back here scrubbing and then leaning down. This isn't a problem, right? Because I can actually get to it. So at my height, I wouldn't have a problem with this one. And so if you think you might want to come down and check it out, because it's definitely a floor plan worth checking out, especially with the kitchen table buried under. I love that. Okay, 3 shelves as Lisa was showing you, and you got your bench. All right, love it, love it, love it. Oh, and we didn't cover, but you got your whole AV system too, right?
Yep, right there.
Wow.
A couple things we added here. We added a toy hauler. This is actually very similar material that we put in toy haulers, so it's super durable. We also added, whoop, I don't have any power out here.
Oh, it's okay, but lighting, there's an LED strip.
Yep, LED lighting. And this right here, we have one on the off-door side, so you can run all your water lines up.
Nice.
So you can close the door, but we did one on this side too, so you can hook up a TV if you want to and still have this closed.
Excellent, excellent. So yeah, so lots of upgrades. Yeah. And when did this come out? Is this just, I mean, like literally brand new?
We actually showcased this at Hershey.
Okay.
Back in September. It was
okay.
the first time.
All right.
So.
All right.